everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Here's a quick tip for you. For my garlic, I just knock the ends off. After I get the ends knocked off, I'm going to try something new I read on the internet, that if you take one of these little rubber things and you put your garlic in it, like this, and you roll it inside here, supposedly it takes the paper right off. I guess it does. I don't know if that's any easier than my other trick that I do. So you just put this in here. Keep this jar in my drawer. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Depends on the condition. Well, that one came off really well. This one here didn't come off at all. Do one at a time. Not really. See, it depends on the garlic. Let's go with the roll method. Let's try this. There you go. Boy, that took it right off. This works better than the jar. That's my vote. That's your tip for the day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in the lower right hand corner. And if you'd like to be notified about future shows, click the bell that's right up on the top. And also more information is at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com.